Forget about me. My books have been read by people who are very close, and 9-10 people. ऐसे इसने पढ़ ली तो he'll be the 11th man to have read the book. But there are authors, Jay Sai, Vikram Sampath. They never called to JLF. Yeah. Basically, जब कांग्रेस आएगी ना वापस तो हम सब जेल में होंगे.
क्यों?
100%.
I'll still stand up for you.
Yes, you will.
I
You
will
will get
100%.
Mysore Park to me in Tihar
I
jail,
will
but
100%.
no one is as vindictive as Congress.
I don't think so.
अरे,
Let me frame it
crazy.
differently.
They have taken it to insane lengths.
No,
A
no,
High
let
Court
me tell
judge
you.
was to be elevated to Supreme Court. On the day he was to be elevated, Indira Gandhi said no. You know the reason?
अभी आप इंदिरा
He
जी की-
attended the funeral of Gowalkar. That was his only crime.
अभी आप इंदिरा जी
ऐसे लोग
अभी
हैं
आप
यार. He is not charming. He is harming. Rahul Gandhi. A complete act that media is ignoring him. He has his favorite band of journalists. He carries them around. For example, I'll give you an example, and story has broken. Congress-ruled Chhattisgarh government was allowing Adani Enterprises to mine millions of tons of coal from its forests, from a Congress-ruled state, take it to Rajasthan to generate power, another Congress-ruled state. को बोला राहुल गांधी ने, किसी जर्नलिस्ट ने पूछा राहुल गांधी से, तहसीन कुछ क्लैरिफिकेशन आया? नहीं आया ना. मे बी भारत जोड़ो इज बीइंग फंडेड बाय बीजेपी. पता तो लगाओ तहसीन. मुझे 1 मिनट चाहिए.
हाँ, अच्छा. हाँ, ये YouTube है, तुम जितने मिनट लेना है ले लो.
सुभान अल्लाह. नहीं, ये देखो, ये हिपोक्रेसी की सीमा है ना तहसीन की. इसने 3-4 दिन पहले जब कांग्रेस को बहुत बड़ी हार मिली गुजरात में, ही सेड समथिंग व्हिच आई अपलॉडेड हिम. ही सेड कि लेफ्ट लूनीज के चक्कर में कांग्रेस का बैंड बज रहा है. हिमाचल में जीते हैं, इट इज गोइंग टू डिस्ट्रॉय द स्टेट. This old pensions, reverting to old pensions. I'll tell you why.
Yeah, the new
Manmohan Singh was a votary for junking this old pension scheme and getting the new pension scheme. Montek Ahluwalia is on record saying there is no bigger freebie than this old pension scheme. It will destroy the state. वोट के चक्कर में, जीतने के चक्कर में तुम लोग it's gonna, 78% of the tax revenue of Himachal is going to go in paying for the old pension scheme, yaar. 78%. I want to concentrate on Himachal because Himachal has been a slap on all those who were saying कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत होगा. नहीं हुआ ना.
नहीं हुआ.
मेरा ये मानना है कि कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत कभी नहीं हो सकता. ये मेरा मानना है. पर आप explain to me हिमाचल में why are you destroying the state in order to win the election? Your views are so against what the Congress philosophy is.
But
why?
actually
इसीलिए मैंने इससे शादी की.
रिसेप्शन पे नहीं बुलाया. एक तो हमारे देश में लोगों को एंटाइटल्ड और इलीट के बीच में डिफरेंस नहीं पता. मतलब दे डिराइड elitism, which is completely wrong. Elite is someone who's who's come up, who's meritorious, who excels in his or her field, who's absolutely professional, articulate, gentlemanly, gentlewomanly, or whatever you call it.
Gentlemanly.
Ambedkar is an elite.
Yeah, Ambedkar.
Sardar
True.
Patel is an elite.
Yeah.
Nehru is entitled.
no.
I did it just to provoke
No,
him.
that's not
But
true.
Rahul Gandhi is entitled. Bilawal is entitled.
Yeah.
For example, Dawood Ibrahim. Would you call him elite? The fellow has more money than any Indian politician you can think of. No, it's not to do with money. It's to do with what you do. This actually has endeared me to Tehseen. He may say the nastiest thing about Modi, Shah and all, but he will say it so politely. That गुस्सा आए किसी को गुस्सा
चाहिए ना.
But
Amit
that's
Shah
democracy,
ji,
see.
Modi ji,
But in
he'll always.
democracy, you have
Modi
to
ji is the
criticize.
most corrupt person I've ever met. Amit Shah is Amit Shah
Nee,
ji
nee.
is a criminal. I think we as a nation
We just
are
don't-
ungrateful
We are.
people.
For the
Both Elas and Poonawala's deserve Bharat Ratna.
I've just said it.
Deserve.
But
It's crazy why we Padma Shri de ke tar. मतलब क्या
नहीं,
है?
नहीं, और-
I've come to realize this, that Twitter world is very different from the real world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
so if
yeah.
on Twitter, so I have blocked, I don't know, about 12,000-13,000 people.
Yeah, so have I.
Yeah, me too, easily.
मजा आता है.
It's called Block Akram.
हाँ, block का.
So
But
you- Akraman
I have
with
met
blocking.
many people
Yeah.
at a conference or an event or something says, hey, sir, I'm a big fan. I'm sorry you have blocked me on
Yeah.
Twitter because I abused you. Please unblock me.
हाँ.
I unblock them. इतना pigeonhole हो गया है ना that people don't care about morality or ethics. So if they're wrong,
हाँ.
they won't try to even correct themselves because they already have a huge fan following.
Yeah.
For example, if tomorrow Zubair is wrong on something, why would he apologize? Because even while he's wrong, people are praising him. उसकी तो अपनी कम्युनिटी बनी हुई है.
अब फिर
वो कुछ भी
वो-
करे. Fact checker, right?
Is meant to
Now,
check facts.
is meant to check facts. The
Yeah.
first thing the fellow, any sensible, logical guy would do is to check whether what Nupur said
Was
is
factually accurate.
factually
Yeah.
accurate or not.
Yeah.
I
He's
should
not
have
done that. आजकल ये नया ट्रेंड चल रहा है. कोई भी सॉरी कहेगा, which is a very noble thing to do. He'll immediately buy sorry worker, Savarkar. They पूरा, everyone who says sorry or apologizes, he's branded Savarkar. Let's be honest here.
But it's
Bollywood
such
is being trolled because it is a fact. For
Bollywood-
decades,
One second.
selectively
One
anti-Hindu.
second.
I don't want to use the word vulgar ever because what is
That's
vulgar
your
is
choice,
subjective.
What is vulgar?
yeah.
It's subjective.
Huh.
But it's very off-putting. The kind
It
of
is.
direct-
I
It
like
is
the
like-
song. I think Deepika looks
I don't-
gorgeous. I think
But
Shah
I
Rukh
have to
looks
say
hot.
this.
But
Yeah,
now I
after-
find it
Anand.
off-putting. But when I was 18, I probably would have used that song.
But I think Shah Rukh looks super.
Excuse me, you being Madrasi phobic now.